Hey guys, Ryan back here, and we are 3 days out, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, yeah. 3 days out since I did the pellet application, the localized dry spot application over here on the side yard, and we'll show you the results because it's been pretty amazing for 3 days, pretty incredible. We've had zero rain, temps in the 90s, and I'll show you the rest of the yard where I didn't do anything. Just got regular water, and it hasn't really helped at all. So after I run through this real quick, this is the before, some clips from the last video. This was 3 days ago. This was on Saturday. Today is Tuesday. The results in 3 days have blown my mind. Like honestly, like I didn't expect anything like this. Honestly, I expected like a week down the road to come back and see, you know, a good result or whatever, but 3 days has been incredible. And even though I'd used this product before, I still wasn't sure, but I'm a firm believer in this product now, and I will definitely be applying this in the future. So this is current right here. This is just some close-ups of the side here, and as you can see, 100% turnaround. I mean, there is a little bit of brown. Now this right here, actually, this is the front yard still today. So this is right now in the front where I didn't apply the tournament ready. I still watered this in the same way, but I didn't apply tournament ready here, and you can see still plenty of brown. It still looks horrible. But if you look down there, you can see all the green, and just looking right here as well, it's incredible. The turnaround, it's not 100%, no, but from where it was in 3 days, God, I know I'm like going on and on about it, but it's just kind of hard for me to believe, to be honest. So here I'm just walking up and just kind of showing you some more of the area. Just a good comparison. Lots of brown. Look at this over here. I mean, if you looked at a little bit back in this video where I showed you where I was spraying before, there's not a huge difference. And look at that. God, it's amazing. I'm gonna zoom in right here. I don't know, I'm really impressed. So I was really thrilled with the results. 3 days using the tournament ready pellet, and I did water it in the next morning for about 40 minutes, but the rest of the yard got watered too. And just to kind of see the difference there, and it's an incredible difference in that area. So hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the results. See you in the next one. Guys, I really appreciate all the support. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, or if you've enjoyed some of the previous videos, please subscribe down below. Leave a comment, please, and like the video if you liked it, and dislike it if you didn't like it. I hope to see you again for the next video. I appreciate it very much. Thank you.